Hello guys, welcome back to LANAP. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Marvel Rivals error code 26. So if you're interested, let's start the tutorial. So if you're having problems with Marvel Rivals here and you're getting that error code 26 here, there are going to be a few things that you do to probably solve this issue. So first things first is you want to make sure that your internet connection is stable. So sometimes having an unstable internet connection can cause this problem. So in this case, go ahead and open up any browser, just type in speed test, and from then on, just run a speed test. Now you want to make sure that both your download and upload speed is pretty good. So in this case, just make sure they are good, or in this case, they have a decent speed. So both of them. So make sure both of them. Now, another thing you might want to check here is going to be if you're using any VPN. Now, if you're using any VPN, this will actually affect your internet speed. So, if you use VPN, especially if you're accessing a different country, somewhere farther than your location, well, in this case, this will actually slow down your internet, which in turn can cause you or could lead to error code appearing when you're playing the game. So, in this case, go ahead and turn that off and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing you might want to do here is you want to make sure that you have the latest driver for your PC. So in this case, you want to open up the GPU software that you have for your computer or your laptop. Go ahead and open up NVIDIA if you have NVIDIA. So depending on what you have. So you want to go to drivers and go ahead and click on download here and just basically update your driver for your GPU. Now, once you've done that, go ahead and start your PC and see if that solves the issue. Now, another thing you could do is you need to go to your installation or where you installed Marvel Rivals here. So in my case, I actually installed it on Steam. So you want to right click on it and you want to go to your properties and you want to go to install files and go ahead and click on verify integrity of game files. Now, what it does, it actually compare the files they currently have right now with the files they have in server. So in this case, they just make sure that everything or every files they have right now actually matches what's in the server. So typically this will solve a lot of issue, but it takes a lot of time. So in this case, like for example, if you download the game for about 30 minutes, it might take that same time for you to finish the verification here. But in this case, go ahead and try it and see if that solves your issue. So that's about it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to LANAP. Thank you for watching.